Just in case you have been living under a rock, baby, what are you doing? Get from under there. There is a defamation trial going on right now between Johnny Depp and Amber Heard. What up, Kingdom Builders? Welcome back to my channel. I am 𝗵cie𝗿𝗲𝗏, your favorite business coach in these internet streets. I help coaches turn their skills, talents, and expertise into profitable online businesses. Welcome to Soul Struck Land. This is my internet home where I help you go from confused to the ethical, cash-generating boss that we both know you are meant to be. In today's video, I am bringing you another brand spanking new spicy episode of Celebrity Business, where I break down business lessons you can learn from trending celebrity news and gossip. And today, I am giving you a fantastic business tip, marketing tip, sales tactic that you can use to boost your sales regardless of what you are selling, based off of something that Camille Vasquez did not do in her cross-examination of Amber Heard in the Johnny Depp versus Amber Heard trial that's currently going on. Just in case you have been living under a rock, baby, what are you doing? Get from under there. There is a defamation trial going on right now between Johnny Depp and Amber Heard about an article that she posted in a publication a few years ago, and Johnny is basically saying that those claims that she made in that article are not true, and he is suing her for defamation. So I'm not going to get into the whole background of all the allegations, their relationship. I am jumping straight into the cross-examination in the trial between Johnny Depp and Amber Heard. Now, if you have been living under a rock, you don't know what's going on, LawTube has been doing an amazing job of really dissecting this case day by day, point by point. So definitely check out all of the law channels, Law and Crime, Natalie Lawyer Chick, Emily D. Baker. All of them are covering this trial and doing an amazing job. They offer their commentary from a legal perspective, and some of the clips that I'm going to be showing you today are actually from the Law and Crime channel. So if you want to see the full cross-examination, you want to go back and watch the trial from day to day, then you can definitely go to Law and Crime and see every single process, every single step of this case, day by day, section by section. So let me go ahead and jump into the business tip that I want to share with you guys. So in case you didn't watch the trial and you don't know what I'm talking about, I want to show you a couple of snippets from Camille Vasquez, that is Johnny Depp's attorney, when she is actually cross-examining Amber Heard about the allegations that she made about DV and SA against Johnny Depp. I'm not going to say those words because y'all already know how YouTube is and I need that monetization, okay? But she made these claims, and basically he is saying that the things that she said is not true. And so she's already testified. She's given her account of the events that happened. And now it is Johnny Depp's attorney, who is Camille Vasquez. He has a team of attorneys, but it is Camille Vasquez that is actually doing the cross-examination. And so I'm going to show you these clips of the cross-examination, which the internet is going crazy talking about what a phenomenal job, chef's kiss cross-examination that Camille did. And I totally agree. She crushed this cross-examination. She did a phenomenal job. But there is one key thing that she did not do in this cross-examination that could have really helped her to win over jurors. Now, I'm going to show you a series of clips, and then I'm going to show you how she ended the cross-examination, and then we're going to get into the one mistake she made that could have helped her to win over jurors in this case. So let's go ahead and take a look at the clips of her cross-examination.
You said he hit you and he was wearing rings. right, Ms. Heard? So he hit you with rings on every finger?
I don't know if I've ever known Johnny to not wear rings.
Yeah.
You testified to an incident in March of 2013 where Mr. Depp hit you in the face multiple times. Do you recall that?
That's correct.
And you testified, quote, "You don't know how many times he hit you in the face."
That's correct.
So Mr. Depp hit you in the face multiple times while he was wearing rings on this occasion, correct?
Which occasion in March are you referencing? You weren't
The
specific.
testimony that you gave on day 15 of this trial, March of 2013. You weren't specific as to the day.
There were several incidents.
The one where he hit you several times in the face. Okay, let's please pull up Defendant's Exhibit 170A, which is already in evidence, Your Honor. And there's no injuries to your face in this picture, are there?
Not that this picture shows.
And there's no medical records reflecting that you sought treatment after this alleged incident either.
I did not seek medical treatment at this time.
You testified to another incident in March of 2013 where Mr. Depp hit you while he was wearing a lot of rings. Do you remember that testimony?
Yes, ma'am.
And you testified you felt like your lip went through your teeth and it got a little blood on the wall.
Yes, I remember that.
There isn't a picture of you with injuries after that alleged incident, is there?
I don't know if I've seen one. I can't recall. There are a lot of pictures.
You testified about an incident in Russia on or about June 26, 2013. Do you remember that?
Yes, that's correct.
And you testified that Mr. Depp, quote, whacked you in the face.
That's correct.
And you went to the bathroom after that, right?
I did.
And then, according to your testimony, when you came out of the bathroom, Jerry Judge, Mr. Depp's security guard, who's passed away, pointed out that your nose was bleeding, right?
He did that in the hallway.
And you didn't take any pictures of your bloody nose either, did you?
I did not.
But pictures were taken of you in Russia, though. Isn't that correct?
Yes, that's correct. We had a press or a dinner.
Let's please pull up Plaintiff's Exhibit 1248. And this is you and Mr. Depp in Russia for the Lone Ranger premiere, correct?
It was a dinner function, I believe, in promotion of the movie. Wasn't the premiere, if I recall.
You don't have any visible injuries to your face, do you?
None that you can see.
Let's look at Plaintiff's Exhibit 1249. This is also a picture from when you were in Russia for the Lone Ranger premiere, right?
That is correct.
And you have no visible injuries to your face, do you?
None that you can see.
You also testify that Mr. Depp, again, whacked you in the face after the Met Gala in May of 2014, right?
That is correct.
You testified that you thought he hit you so hard he broke your nose.
That's correct.
You said your nose was, quote, swollen, discolored, red.
That is correct.
You also attended an event after the Met Gala in May of 2014, didn't you?
That is correct.
You went to the All-Star Comedy Tribute to Don Rickles.
That is correct.
That was the next night after the Met Gala.
That is correct.
And there were pictures of you taken at this event.
Yes.
Let's please pull up Plaintiff's Exhibit 1252. This is a picture of you, Mr. Depp, and Don Rickles, right?
That is correct.
Let's please pull up Plaintiff's Exhibit 1253. This is a picture of you and Mr. Depp at the event the night after Mr. Depp allegedly whacked you in the face so hard you thought he had broken your nose.
He did whack me in the face, and I did think it broke my nose.
And this is you the night after.
Yes, it is.
Let's please pull up Plaintiff's Exhibit 1254. And just to confirm now that the jury can see it, this is a picture of you at the same event, the night after Mr. Depp allegedly whacked you in the face so hard you thought he broke your nose.
This is a picture of me after he did whack me in the face.
The night after, right?
Yes, it is. I believe it was the night after, yes.
Again, this is only snippets of Camille's cross-examination of Amber Heard. If you want to see the full breakdown of the cross-examination, play by play, blow by blow, y'all, because Camille was just handing it to Amber the whole time, okay? And I'm not laughing at this, and like I know what they're talking about is very serious, but in my opinion, it is very clear that there may be some truth to what Amber is saying, but she has definitely exaggerated and created her own version of events that she believed happened. And basically Camille is just coming after her blow by blow, video by video, audio clip by audio clip, statement by statement, and basically contradicting every single claim that she is making with factual evidence in video form, audio form, pictures, whatever, right? And so now that we have gotten some of those snippets, again, if you want to see the full cross-examination, hop over to Law and Crime and you can watch it over on their channel. I will leave a link in the description. But let's jump to Camille's closing and how she actually ends her cross-examination.
I think this, if Your Honor's
Okay,
fine,
you said
this is a good
that's
stopping
breaking
point.
point. Okay, that's fine. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we'll stop here for the evening.
And that is it, ladies and gentlemen. So that is how she ended. So I want to ask you, pause this video real quick and in the comments let me know, what do you think I'm going to say that she did wrong or that she missed an opportunity for, okay? Let me know down in the comments and then I will let you know if you're right or not. Did you pause? Did you pause? Did you pause? Okay, so this is what Camille did wrong. And I don't even want to say that she did this wrong, but if she would have did this at the end of her cross-examination, she probably would have won over more jurors if they had not been won already. So when Camille went through all of her evidence and went through this cross-examination, you can see in this video how she was just firing off video after video, audio clip after audio clip, picture after picture, and she would ask questions, but she really wasn't driving home why she was showing these videos, right? So she's like, this is a picture of you in a backless dress, right? And then she lets Amber answer, yes, that is me. And then she goes to the next video and is like, this is a video of you on a TV show the day after, right? You don't have a bust of lips. She's like, yeah, I do. And then she goes to the next one. She just quickly jumps from video to video, asks a question, moves to the next clip, asks a question, moves to the next clip. So I was really surprised that when Camille got to the end of this cross-examination, she didn't do the stack, especially since she went through all of the evidence and questioning so fast. And granted, I know that they have a time limit, but today is day 21 of the trial, and I mean, Johnny's team still has 15 hours of time left, so they definitely could have used a little bit more time on the cross-examination, in my opinion. But again, I'm a business coach, not any type of legal advisor, okay? So that's just my opinion. But what Camille should have did at the end of the cross-examination, because she had presented so much information to the audience, she should have done the stack. Basically what the stack is whenever you give someone a laundry list of things that are included, or you're telling them all of these different video clips and all of this evidence, the average person is only going to remember the last one or two things that you show them, or the last one or two things that you said. So in business, in marketing, there is this thing called the stack. I pretty much coined the stack, the phrase the stack, from Russell Brunson inside of his Perfect Webinar Kit. But some people also call this a digital receipt. But basically it is you listing everything that you just told the person, summarizing what you just gave the person so that they remember all the things that you just said, all the things that are included. So what this looks like in this trial is, because Camille fired off all of these video clips, audio clips, pictures back to back, before she decided to rest, what she should have did was done the stack, and she should have went through all the things that she just showed them and summarized and said, okay, I just showed you a video, or I just showed you a picture of you in a backless dress, and you said that the day before you got into this argument or not nice situation with Johnny Depp, and you he had his knee in your back or whatever, and there's no evidence of any bruising or anything, and you have on a backless dress. I also showed you a clip of you on whatever TV show it was, I don't remember, and you said you had a busted lip, and there's photos of you from this picture, and it looks like your lip is fine. There's also the video clip of you talking and doing hand gestures, and it doesn't look like you have any injuries or bruises on your hands. It doesn't look like you have any bruising or injuries on your lip. And then go to the next thing that she showed them and summarize what that was. Go to the next thing, summarize what that was. Go to the next thing and summarize what that was. And so that way, when she raps, the jury is not only thinking about just that last thing that she said or that last video, but now they're able to come to a conclusion that says, man, she just showed me all these things that refute all the claims that Amber just made. And so how that actually translates over into business is, let's say that you are a coach and you have a coaching program that includes weekly coaching calls. It also comes with an online community. It also comes with maybe you have a course content. Maybe you also give them a workbook or a welcome kit. Maybe they get some type of bonuses, right? And so typically what people will do as they present the offer, they'll say, this is what you get. And they describe the first thing. This is what you also get. They describe the second thing. This is what you also get. They describe the third thing, right? And then they'll show the price. But before you actually introduce them to the price, you don't want to just go from the last thing you mentioned to the price. You want to mention everything that's included in that offer. And that is why it is called the stack, or some people call it a digital receipt. It is basically you reminding them you're not only getting this video series, you're also getting the coaching calls, the course, the online community. You're getting the bonus private one-on-one session with me, right? So you are basically outlining or listing every single thing that they're getting when they buy your offer. So you may be wondering, Ebony, this is awesome. How do I actually use this? Where would I use this? The first place that I use this is on my sales pages. If you look at every single last sales page on my website, you will see right before I introduce the price, it has the stack that tells you everything that you're getting for that price, right? In addition to using it on sales pages, I use this in sales emails, and I also use this on webinars. If you have ever been on one of my webinars, you know, before I tell you what the price is and give you the link to go sign up, I'm always going to give you the stack, everything that you get, and then tell you how to get it. So this is one thing that Camille could have done that really could have helped her to win over jurors. Typically, people are going to remember the last thing that you introduce them to. So if you don't want them to base their decision off of that one last thing, you need to do the stack, okay? Moral of the story, always do the stack. All right, so that is the business tip that I have for you so far from this trial between Amber Heard and Johnny Depp. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on those notifications, because I'm also going to do another video on why the general public favors Johnny Depp over Amber Heard, and give you guys another key business lesson from this trial. Thanks so much for stopping by my internet home. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on those notifications, and I will see you guys in the next video. In the meantime, feel free to check out one of these two videos right here. Bye, y'all.